Okay, so this is my closet. Usually, when you purchase a house, they provide these basic shelves. We wanted to organize it a little better. 1. Measure your space. The first step is to measure the width, length, and height of the closet. 2. Before buying any items, it's essential to design your closet. Go to the IKEA website and search for the wardrobe system you like. In our case, we chose packs. Don't worry too much about the initial details, as you can customize everything later. If you have a larger closet, you can start by selecting a basic setup and then adjust it. Scroll down until you find the Design Your Packs Wardrobe button and click on it. This will open a tool that allows you to customize exactly how your wardrobe will look. 3. Entering closet measurements. The first step in the tool is to input your closet dimensions. Width, 71 centimeters, height, 102 centimeters, depth, 76 centimeters. Now the space is set up. My closet isn't very large, but we can make it work. 4. Selecting the frame and colors. The wardrobe frame is already in place, but if you want a different color, you can select it here. Important, double check if the items are available in your local IKEA store. Sometimes, items you like might be out of stock, which can be frustrating. In fact, we're still waiting for a few pieces that weren't available. But let's move on. No. 5. Choosing the interior setup. You can either select a pre-designed interior setup or customize it yourself. In our case, we chose a setup that works well, especially for long dresses. Since we wanted drawers as well, we selected a different setup that included them. Keep in mind that the price will start increasing as you add more components, but you can adjust the design as needed. To make adjustments, right-click to move items up and down. Left-click to rotate or adjust placement. We duplicated a few elements to create symmetry and ensure proper organization. 6. Adding accessories. For extra organization, you can add jewelry trays, glass front drawers, wire baskets. I've used glass drawers in my previous home, and they were great. This time, we're going with regular drawers. 7. Choosing doors. Optional. If you want doors for your closet, you have several options. However, for our setup, the closet was too small to add doors. Also, PAX requires an even number of frames, e.g. 2+2 or 3+3 for sliding doors, which wouldn't work with our 3+2 setup. We originally planned to have 2 extra columns, but they were out of stock. We purchased all the interior components, but are still waiting for the frames to become available. 8. Finalizing and ordering. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Finalize. It will ask if you want a cover plate. We selected yes. IKEA will generate a complete shopping list with all the required parts. You can save the design for later or scan it on your phone for easy checkout. 9. Installing the closet. Back to our closet. First, we removed the old shelves. This left a lot of holes in the wall, so we used a pink filler that turns white when dry. No need for repainting. The PAX system arrived in boxes, and the installation process was much easier than before. IKEA now provides a new mounting system where you attach metal bars first, making it more manageable, especially for small closets. It took some time to get the measurements right, but overall, this new IKEA system is much easier to install. And that's it. The project is complete, and I think it turned out great. We only spent $900, which is a good deal for a custom closet solution. Subscribe to the channel because I'll be building a lot more things in our new home. See you next time. Bye-bye.